Most people see Chania in the midday sun, but to truly know her, you have to wake up with her. When the Venetian Harbor is a perfect mirror, and the only sound is the gentle rhythm of the water hitting the 14th century stone. This is the moment the city belongs only to itself. Walk 3 minutes away from the water, and the world changes. Here, in the labyrinth of the Old Town, an Ottoman minaret stands tall over a Venetian archway. These walls don't just hold roofs, they hold centuries of whispers. Look up. The architecture is a map of every empire that ever wanted a piece of Crete. To find the heart of the city, follow your nose. The Agora, the municipal market, is where the real Chania lives. It's the sharp scent of mountain oregano, the richness of Graviera cheese, and the earthy warmth of tsikudia being poured for a stranger. Here, hospitality isn't a service, it's a way of life. But Chania is more than just its harbor. Drive 20 minutes and the stone turns white. The Katholiko Monastery is a ghost in the cliffs, a place where monks once sought silence in the wind. This is the rugged Crete, the Crete that breaks your heart with its raw, untouched beauty. As the sun dips below the white mountains, the city transforms once more. This isn't just a destination on a map, it's a living, breathing home. In Chania, you don't just watch the sunset, you toast to it. Chania isn't just a place you visit, it's a place that stays with you.